All right, welcome to Lakeshore RV. We have your Torque T281 this morning, and going around the outside of the unit, you can see here we have your starter kit right in there with your adapters. Nice compartment. Coming up around front, we got our front cap and our lights. We have our up and down for our power tongue jack and the light on and off. Over here we have our propane tanks. Our propane tanks have a regulator on them that points to which tank you're drawing off. So if it points over here, you're drawing off this tank. If it points over here, you're drawing off this tank. I think I can get her in there and show you the indicator, and the indicator should be green if the propane is on, red if it's off. Obviously yours is on right now. Coming around here to our generator, we have the generator prime button. And then the generator start. Here are the breakers. If you ever have trouble with your generator being on and not having any power, it's usually these two breakers right up front here. Got a nice slide out over here. Here we have our water heater. So our water heater has a switch down here, which is on off for our electric side of the water heater. These are resets for the propane and electric side if you ever find that they're fired up. Here's a quick connect for a high pressure hose. This is our fresh tank fill and our city connection here. These are for exterior cable and satellite hookup. This is our power cord, which is a 50 ampere. And we have our exterior vent for our furnace, exterior vents for our refrigerator, exterior air vents. There's our gas, where our gas goes in for the propane. We got our ladder to the top. We got our back gate over here. You can see under here we have our extend and retract button there for our landing gear. Here you have exterior fuel dispenser along with the fuel shut-off system right in this container here. So on off to turn on your pump. Here we have speakers and our outside awning. And then up here, of course, we have our front stabilizer jacks. Oh, one little nugget of knowledge here. Here is our turn that on off system for our battery shut off. Battery disconnect is right there. As we move along to the inside of the unit, we got our back bunks and back gate. Our bunks pull out with this here, and then they would raise up here if you take these pins out and pin them back here if they're up. The pins here for the top bunk to come down only so far. We have a bunk over here on the slide that comes down in and out. Here we have our refrigerator. Our refrigerator works at on off, and you can put it on auto. If you have the refrigerator on auto, it'll switch between electric and propane as needed. Here we got our microwave, our keys around the sink here. This is the up-down control for our bunks. This is the on-off for our fan. Our heat works like this. You press it to, this is the fan setting, which you want set to auto, then cool in the temperature, and heat, and the temperature up, down, and off. Up here we have our radio. Power on off, and then you select the different speaker zones. Our stove and oven. Our stove opens up, goes on like this, and lights with a spark. And around over into here is our bathroom, which we have an open and close vent button here for our fan, on and off. Over here we have bathroom sink, bathroom toilet, which flushes with a pedestal, and of course the shower. On into the front bedroom. We got our cabinets and our bed there. There's an on-off. Same thing that's on the outside of the generator is on the inside. I do believe we can see the generators ran for 0.2. Our nice cabinets there. And there's our blinds. Give her one last little walk through here. All right, if you have any other questions or concerns, you can contact Lakeshore RV Center or your salesperson. Thank you for, right in here we have our power cord, our fire extinguisher, and a bunch of manuals and stuff like that. And again, thank you.